If you are looking for an awesome pair of blue light blocking glasses that can also do the UV, you're absolutely going to love these. I am a blue light blocking glasses snob. I've had about 20 different pairs I've tested over the years, and this by far, I love this company. This is like one of my favorite brands for sure. Really comfortable to wear. You could do the UV blocking up to 400, which is great. They're super comfortable to wear. These cannot be worn over prescription glasses because they are the glasses themselves. And this is a lot of these glasses too. People are like, oh, do they really work? Do they really work? Well, they include a testing right over here. So you'll see this right over here. They have this like blue light right over here. So you'll see right over here, it does have the blue light kind of shining through. And then when you put this over here, so if we were to put that like that, you'll see it's not going through at all. Let me see that. You can kind of see that way. It's not touching anything at all. There's not coming through at all. So you can really tell that that works. You're going to get this cool little case right over here, and you also get this as well. So this is a little cloth to help wipe them down, which I really like myself. It just makes it super easy. I mean, I wear these literally every night. I don't really wear them during the day, but definitely during the night. I just have these on. I don't have to worry about it. I do make a lot of content and videos, or if I'm looking at Instagram or something at night, I don't have to worry about being affected. I do notice such a huge difference. If I don't wear these before going to bed, I have a really hard time getting to bed, winding down. These definitely make a huge difference. And I like the fact that they have the orange on them right over here, because you could definitely tell a big difference when you have orange ones like this, the orange tint, versus ones that just have clear lenses. These are definitely more strong, which I really prefer. And I love the fact that they just come with a case, so you don't have to worry about them getting scratched. And this makes it super easy to travel with them. They come in this nice box right here. If you are looking, if you're just kind of constantly on the go, kind of still want to watch TV, watch your phone, watch a tablet before bed, and don't want to be affected because that light gets your kind of going, definitely grab a pair of these. I absolutely love them. Like I said, I've tried at least 20 pairs of glasses. This by far is my favorite company for glasses, and they're super comfortable. I would even say they're like, not, I mean, stylish maybe is a better word. You see these other ones are all like big and just kind of look dumb. That's another reason why I really like these. So if you're looking for a great pair of blue light blocking glasses and can also do the UV, definitely check these out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending these over so I could do this for you.